Okay, everybody, let's see. What is this? Tuesday, the 19th. Members e-learning tonight, by the way. Right way options and hit run candlestick in the um, combo room. I hope to see everybody there. 8 p.m. Eastern. 8 p.m. Eastern. Let's look at the market real quick. So the SPY here, we're 20 minutes, almost 20 minutes before the close, and we're holding up pretty well here with the SPY, right at the 50 period moving average. Now, a lot of things can happen, but so far, so good. Here's what I'm looking for to the upside, continued relief rally. Of course, that could change at any moment, but right now I'm looking at continued up into the 400 area, up into this red, kind of a red block up here. And then maybe we'll look for some shorts on a pullback here. I wouldn't be surprised if this truly happens, if we have that follow through. I just would not be too surprised if we don't move up, rest a little bit before we go back up into that area here. The Qs, I think, are fabulous. I think the Qs are doing their job. The Qs is what's taking us up. Go Qs. We're over the 50 period moving average with about a little more than 20 minutes left to go in the market. We could certainly pull back, but there's not a chance in hell we're going to close back below the 50 here before the close. I absolutely not. Here is what I think one of the most important charts that should be watched right now, and it's the FNGU chart, ETF for FANG stocks, in a nutshell. You can Google it and find out what stocks are actually in it. We've challenged the 50 period moving average over here and failed. We're challenging it again. We could absolutely fail, and if we do, that could just blow everything to my upside on the SPY, and it could just drop us straight south. But right now, as long as we hold up, I'm going to follow the charts, follow the candlesticks and the price action here. So far, it's looking pretty good. I was in this ARKK. I sold it for a good little profit. I mean, I'm very happy. It was kind of a bummer. I didn't want to get out of it. But Tesla has earnings tomorrow, and I didn't want. I know that ARKK has a lot of Tesla, so Tesla could influence it, and it wasn't worth the risk, and I had a profit, so I got rid of ARKK. Thanks for the commentary, Mike, to make me think about that. I appreciate it. So I'm out of this with a profit. I will be right back in it if it still holds up, if it provides me with an entry up here. And members, I will, on the app, just like I've been doing the last few days, you'll be notified of all buys and sells and things like that. What else did I do here? BMY. I closed up the BMY put, and just a good place, I think, to close it up. Take those profits, put them in the pocket. So we did that right there. Here's a nice trade that we took today. Boeing, and it's acting pretty good here, up just shy of 10% right now. And we're moving right into this little resistance area. So let's see what it does up here. I still think there's a chance to run up to 169. I can almost guarantee that I'll take profits in this area up here. Depending on what it does over the next day or two is what I will do here on this Boeing. I've started a little list over here. I'm going to go through some of these. I'm not going to go through all of them. There's too many. I'll just go through the ones that sort of stand out. Biddo's likely to see a pullback, but 50-period moving average target there. Little pullback inside day, maybe we can produce 14 to 15%. A firm, this, did I buy this? I'm checking. No, I haven't bought it yet. A firm is the one I'm looking to buy. Yeah, maybe tomorrow we get a little bit of an inside day or a little bit of a pullback, and that might offer an entry on a firm. Marvel needs to break out. INMD was just posted out here by somebody looking, I don't know where. JW posted this out in the trading room. Super chart. Have to put this on the watch list. We're over the 50-period moving average. Trend indicators above the 50, T-lines above the trend indicator. Price is putting in a nice little contracting wedge. I love that. Looks fantastic. So I'm going to be shopping for this one. I'll put it on the watch list. Car rolling up to the bottom. Probably maybe a move to the 50 here, 11%. Netflix earnings. So we did a poll here just a little bit ago. If you had to buy trade earnings. If you had to, you did not have a choice, would you trade it long or short before earnings? It was an even split. Some people said long, some people said short. Here's the thing about it though. If you, doesn't matter what you think, long, short, doesn't matter. Let earnings tell you what to do. For instance, no matter what the earnings is, if the market likes it and it does this, there will be ample time to trade this. There will be plenty time to trade this up. You don't have to be in it right now. On the other hand, if the market does not like whatever the report is, once again, you don't have to be in it right now, short it. You don't have to do that. You will have plenty time to short it. If it's ugly, it'll probably go down another day or two before it rallies up, and then we'll have time to short it again. The whole point is you can be patient, monitor the charts. A couple of these, let's see. I'm just gonna, Sophie, that looks good. Sophie, what's that, ARC, PLTR, JP Morgan, Apple. Apple, over the weekend, this past weekend, this is one I did a little video on. It's on YouTube, and you can, that was our, target up into here. And it's getting there. It's slowly but surely, it's getting there. Let's see here, anything else that, CMCSA might be one that I might be interested in now that we're over the 50-period moving average. I think I would like to see it move up a little bit more and then consolidate. No. Walmart is still looking pretty good. Another one I did a weekend video on. Oh, let's call that it right there. So that's a few trades. Some of those I will go through and put on the watch list. Some I won't. And then we'll just kind of take it from there. Here's a nice chart. RBLX. I think this is setting up really nice. Looking pretty good. Wolf is another one. This is one I did a weekend video on. Again, you can find that on YouTube. I think it was Sunday that I did it. And yeah, let's see what else is moving here. TDOC, that one's shaping up beautiful. Beautiful. Earnings, doggone. Earnings is just around the corner. If the earnings wasn't so close, I think I'd be buying that right now, but probably shouldn't do that. All right, man, we are closing strong here. We're coming up. We're just shy of 10 minutes before the close. Just a little more. 12 minutes. How's that? We're about 12 minutes before the close. We're closing really well here. It doesn't guarantee that we're going to hold up tomorrow, but man, you got to like what's happening right now. I do anyway. You don't have to. I do. Qs, I think closing exceptionally well. FNGU doing its job. Need that to go. Cool. Sophie is doing a great job here. Sophie's trying to break out now. Sophie's trying to run into some resistance. This is one that I'm currently long in, 8.4%. We'll see if that continues to work. All right, so again, everyone that can hear me here tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern, I'll be hosting in the members combo room. So hope everyone can be there. If not, well, we'll see you tomorrow, okay? So you guys all take care. I'm not leaving, just I almost thought I was, but I'm not. It's not time to go yet. So anyway, if I can see you tonight, great. If not, I'll see you tomorrow.